Hey guys, Rick here with Northeast Whitetail. We're going to be doing some cutting here today, but no, it's not going to be hinge cutting. We're going to be conventionally felling a number of these smaller red maple trees in here to open up the canopy. We're going to create a big brush pile here in the center, and looking forward to this project here. There's already a bedding area established over here with a number of deadfalls, some pine trees and stuff. We've got some pines, thicker hemlocks over in this area. We've already got bedding occurring here in this area naturally, and what we want to do is just jack up some of the natural browse levels in here, get some briars going, and get some forbs going in here as well, just to give them something to eat a little bit closer to their bedding area. So I'm going to get started here, and hopefully we'll get to see the finished product here by the end of the day. Probably going to take me a couple hours here, so we'll see you later. Alright guys, we're done here for the day, so we're just going to take you up in here and show you what the finished product here looks like. So what we got here is 3 great big brush piles that we made. I dropped 12 red maple trees total. A lot of them were these chimney trees like you see right here, and yeah, we just have this huge open hole in the canopy now. So like I said, I mean, we really put some structure and some browse in here on the ground now. This area was wide open before, and the deer are going to love this. So I'm really excited about how this turned out. Till next time, we'll see you guys later. Make sure to tune in to Northeast Whitetail. Look us up on Facebook, Northeast Whitetail Habitat and Strategy Management. I'll talk to you later.